So today we're coming to you and we're going to talk about the 3 things that I need on my cart, or in this case, my rolling cleaning trash can. What am I going to pick? Well, I'm going to pick my PPE. PPE can look like gloves, like in this situation. Goggles if you're mixing chemicals. Could be something like a wet floor sign if you're dealing with that kind of stuff. It depends on gloves. I know I get different comments about gloves. In a commercial cleaning building, I'm cleaning offices, you can go ahead and throw your gloves on. If you're in a healthcare facility, you'll probably hear a lot of people talk to you about no gloves in the hallway, no gloves in the hallway, clean hands, no gloves. I come from that background, so I kind of look at it the same way. If I see people cleaning with gloves, I'd rather have clean hands than gloves, but PPE nonetheless. So think about your regular PPE. It could be anything from, like I'm saying, like goggles, gloves, wet floor signs, any type of safety, could be safety shoes, something like that. That's always first. You got to be safe or you can't get anything cleaned, right? So what's my next thing? If I had to pick one thing, I'm picking a glass and surface cleaner. If I'm in an office building, I need something like this to get through that building for the night if I can only pick my 3 things. So this glass and surface cleaner will enable me to clean, like it says, glass with no streaks and desks and things like that. We're not talking disinfectant in restrooms, so that'd be a different scenario, something I couldn't pick 3 things. But office cleaning, general cleaning, this works great. Medical building cleaning, not so much. So what's my last thing of these 3? So really quick, we want to thank you for watching this video, and if you like what you've seen, you like our content, go ahead and like and subscribe. We put a lot of content out like this on a regular basis, so go ahead and like and subscribe for us. Of course, you know me, clean microfiber towels. Gotta have something to clean with. I'm not using cotton, paper towels, whatever it might be. We're using clean microfiber towels. That's my 3rd. Now, I always have to have a 4th. So, I'm going to give you a little bit of extra. Feather duster. So why I say that is because I use my feather duster a lot like sweeping before you mop. I don't want to spray a surface that has loose soil on it and then I create mud. So I'm going to sweep that off onto the carpet, get that down. Again, we're going to clean top to bottom. And that's how we're going to do this. So I'm always going to sneak in that 4th. But as far as top 3, what we're looking at is always PPE, microfiber towels, and some sort of glass and surface cleaner. And if you can, sneak in that feather duster. And again, thank you for watching. We put a lot of content out on a regular basis. If you like our videos, go ahead and like and subscribe.